The whole problem with this voting system, the people's not voting in people who learn about maxims of law, tort laws, and all the other laws before they run for president. They need to be spending 5 to 10 years learning all the laws, what legalese is, jurisdiction of legalese, and the jurisdiction of common law, which is under the U.S. Constitution and the state's constitution. Those are common law and put you in common law jurisdiction under sui juris. They don't know any of this. Now, I went into a space on X and I just calmly asked Joshua, I don't know his last name, he wants to run for president, and I asked him, do you know the difference between legalese and common law? And then he's all, well, I'm not a lawyer, and that's something that I guess is under legality, and then I didn't get to talk to him some more like others did, and the bitch on there who was the host cut me off and took away my speaker right. She's anti-free speech. She's anti-knowledge of the law, because you all are voting in ignorant people who don't know the laws, don't know what legalese is, and common law. They don't know the difference. They're ignorant, and that's who you're voting in. That's why we have this mess, and that's why we're under this mess we're under. It's because y'all are voting in people that's not studying law like they're supposed to. They need to be studying all of this stuff. And they're not doing it. Because if they did, they could fix the problem. They could actually fix the problem. They're not teaching maxims of law and legality and the difference between legality and common law in colleges, or when people want to become a lawyer and they're going through school to become a lawyer. They're not teaching them this stuff. When they want to become cops to enforce the law, they're not teaching them this stuff. These people need to be taught this stuff for 5 to 10 years before they should become a cop, in my opinion, and a lawyer, and a judge, and all of president, whatever, governor, mayor, police chief, police, whatever. They all need to be studying these laws and learning them for 5 to 10 years before they can become a person in law enforcing it or making laws. That's our whole problem. Right there. I figured it out. Our whole problem is they're not learning the law. They're ignorant. Y'all are putting in ignorant people who don't know the law and does not study the law. They study a little bit. They go to school and get taught what the masters, the elites want them to learn. They don't teach them all the other stuff. There's many books on maxims of law, tort law, and all these other things. And it's a shame I can't put the pictures of what I screenshotted in the comment sections of YouTube. I don't have a computer. I can put them on there and then use my phone to record it, all the pictures of them for you all to look at and know what to look for to read and learn the laws. So you are not ignorant and just ignorantly following along with what you're told without knowing the truth of true law. These people are ignorant. They don't know what law is. They just know what they're taught. That's it. They don't go do enough research. They don't go digging. This is the problem. They're all ignorant of the law, what legalese and common law jurisdictions are. They don't know it. They're ignorant. You're putting ignorant people in there.